Hey, have you ever wondered if the relentless pursuit of quality in manufacturing is maybe a race with no finish line? Well, in the digital age, the race isn't just about speed, it's about smart decisions, so it's completely changed. So today let's unravel this and see what those digital advancements are and how they're redefining quality, particularly in the automotive industry. So automotive has always been a beacon of quality and precision, but as we go deeper into the digital age, the standards of quality they haven't just risen, they've transformed, and it's a fiercely competitive market, meaning quality is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. So let's dig into that a little bit more. There's digital tools now, things like AI, machine learning, and sensors. But they're not just tools, they're the new craftsmen, and we need to figure out how to use them. AI is like the new eye, scrutinizing every detail. Machine learning is like the detective, uncovering detectives that slip by the human eye. And sensors, they're like our guardians, offering real-time vigilance. So how does this work together? So number one, I think, is integrating quality into the design process. Tools like simulation, 3D modeling, and digital twins, as well as designing products, they can design excellence and the manufacturing process to make sure quality isn't an afterthought, it's embedded in the blueprint. Number two is data analytics for predictive quality control. By using data, historical and real time, we're not just seeing the past, we can also then predict the future. Predictive quality control allows us to fix issues before they occur, transform from reactive into proactive management. And I think the third one is the employee skill level and the cultural shift. These digital tools need employees who can develop to use them and embrace them. This needs continuous learning and adaptation to use them, and building a workforce that's as dynamic as the tools that they can use. So just to sum up, adopting digital tools for quality enhancement, it's not just a choice, it's an imperative now in the digital age. The steps are clear. Embrace the tools, foster a culture of continuous learning, and always keep quality at the heart of your manufacturing processes. Because the future of manufacturing isn't just about making products, it's about mastering quality. So thanks for joining me on this journey through the digital transformation of quality in manufacturing. Remember, in the race for quality, the digital path isn't just the fastest, it's also the smarter. Keep innovating, improving, and let's lead the change of manufacturing standards together.